Ever wondered what those flashing lights on your dashboard mean? Well, that's your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system at work, keeping tabs on your car's performance. When your check engine light flickers to life, it's a sign that the system has identified an issue. The problems could be as simple as a loose gas cap, or as serious as an engine malfunction. It might seem daunting, but don't worry. Understanding these signals is easier than you think. So, what exactly are OBDII codes and why should you care? Well, think of these codes as your car's way of communicating with you. The Onboard Diagnostic System, or OBDII, assigns a specific code to each potential issue that might arise in your vehicle. These codes can be read with a scan tool, giving you valuable insights into what might be wrong. Now let's dive into the basic structure of OBDII codes. There are four main categories: powertrain, chassis, body, and network, represented by the letters P, C, B, and U respectively. Powertrain codes relate to your engine and transmission, chassis codes to systems like brakes and steering, body codes involve components like the airbags or seat belts, and network codes are associated with the vehicle's communication system. Understanding these codes is like learning a new language, but it's a language that could save you time, money, and potentially prevent a small issue from becoming a big problem. Now, armed with this knowledge, let's find out how you can read these codes. So, how do you read these OBDII codes? Well, it's simpler than you might think, and it all begins with a handy little gadget known as a scan tool. This device is your golden ticket to unlocking the mysteries of your vehicle's check engine light. To start, locate your vehicle's OBDII port. More often than not, you'll find this port nestled somewhere under the dashboard, typically on the driver's side. Now, take your scan tool and plug it directly into the port. It's a bit like fitting a puzzle piece, so it should slot in without too much effort. Once connected, the scan tool will start to communicate with your vehicle's onboard computer. After a few moments, the tool will display a series of alphanumeric codes. These are your OBDII codes, the language your car uses to tell you what's up under the hood. Many scan tools come with a built-in code directory, providing you with a brief description of each code. This can give you a general idea of what's causing the check engine light to illuminate. However, for a more detailed understanding, you can always refer to a comprehensive online code directory, or conduct a quick internet search using the code as your query. Remember, these codes are your vehicle's way of asking for help. Interpreting them correctly can save you time, money, and potentially prevent a minor issue from becoming a major problem. But what happens once you've identified the problem? That's where clearing codes comes in. Once you've identified and fixed the problem, you'll want to clear the code. Now, you might be wondering how to go about this. Well, your trusty scan tool comes into play again. With the device plugged into your vehicle's OBDII port, simply navigate to the Erase Codes or Clear Codes option. A confirmation message will pop up. If you're sure the issue has been resolved, go ahead and confirm. Voila! Your check engine light should now be off. However, a word of caution, never clear the codes without addressing the underlying issue first. If you do, the light will just come back on, and you're back to square one. Remember, the OBDII system is there to alert you to potential problems, not to be bypassed. So, take the time to understand the codes, fix the issues, and only then clear them. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to understanding, reading, and clearing OBDII codes.